So a little bit of information with no interpretation can be a dangerous thing. DIY is not the same when it comes to residential real estate transactions as it is to home improvement projects. A lot of real estate info you find on the internet is oversimplified, leaving out important details. Scenarios are often more involved than what a 3-minute read can convey. And advice is often disconnected and not applicable to current market conditions or to the part of the country you live. Relying solely on the internet when handling the biggest transaction of your life can result in mistakes that can cost buyers and sellers time and money. A homeowner or buyer cannot be expected to know the ins and outs of real estate and go it alone. The best thing for anyone looking to buy or sell is to work with a real estate professional who can be a partner in the transaction. Let me be your trusted representative. Contact me today.